Are you often unsure when faced with financial decisions in your business? Do you want to know how to make confident, informed choices that benefit your company's financial health? Are you looking for strategies to bolster your decision making process in financial matters? So, if you feel like financial decisions are a guessing game, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Mommy and your Mommy Negosyo, and today I'm going to share tips on how to make confident financial decisions for your business. It's about equipping yourself with the right tools and knowledge to make choices that move your business forward. We will explore these 6 tips. First, gather comprehensive financial information. Second, understand the market and industry trends. Third, set clear financial goals and objectives. Fourth, consult with financial experts. 5. Analyze risk and benefits. And 6. Learn from past financial decisions. Don't worry, I won't make these tips sound too technical. So first, let's talk about tip number 1. Gather comprehensive financial information. You see, good decisions start with knowing your money. And to do this, you have to gather all the important financial details about your business. And this means collecting and reviewing your financial documents such as income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. So think about where your money is coming from. What are you spending on? What you owe and what you own. Meet my smart mentee, Maria, the owner of a small wet market in her barrio. Before Maria makes any big financial choices, she always carefully checks her financial reports. She looks at how much she earned, what she spent on supplies, and any debts she needs to pay. So Maria's financial tracking keeps her business on track. Always, therefore, gather your money information first. Next, let's talk about tip number 2, which is to understand the market and the industry trends. External factors can greatly impact your financial decisions, so it's very important to keep it up to date. Regularly research what's happening in your market and in your industry. Look at industry reports and economic forecasts. You can use this information to predict changes that could affect your business and adjust your financial strategies as needed. Let's use Anna's example for this. Anna runs a small bakery in her neighborhood, and she keeps a close eye on market trends in the food industry. She does this by watching the news to keep a pulse on her customers and her market. And recently, she noticed a growing demand for healthier options and gluten-free products. So by understanding these trends, Anna decided to introduce a new line of healthy and gluten-free baked goods. And this move brought in more customers and kept her ahead of the competition. Let's now move to discussing tip number 3, which is to set clear financial goals and objectives. These goals provide a roadmap for your financial decisions, and this will help you stay on track. So, start by defining both short-term and long-term financial objectives. This could be anything from increasing your savings to expanding your business. Align your financial decisions with these goals, be it about making investments, cutting costs, or generating more revenue. So let me introduce you to Alma, who owns a small boutique. Each year, Alma sets specific financial goals. One year, she aimed to expand her product line, and another year, she focused on increasing online sales. By setting these clear goals, Alma can make decisions that align with her objectives, helping her business to grow steadily. So, always set clear financial goals and objectives because this will guide your financial decisions and keep your business on the path to success. Let's now go to tip number 4, which is to consult with financial experts. So don't be afraid to ask for help from financial experts. These professionals can offer valuable insights and perspectives that can guide your decisions. Engage with your accountants, financial planners, or consultants. Their expertise can help you analyze different options and make wise choices. For example, let's look at Mela's furniture shop. After committing a costly mistake of trusting her gut and a little too much, Mela now regularly consults with her accountant. Her accountant's advice has been crucial in making important investment decisions. This helps Mela make smart choices with her money, putting her business on the right track to success. So, always seek advice from financial experts when you need it. Let's proceed to tip number 5. Analyze risks and benefits. You see, running a business means thinking twice before spending. So weigh the risks and the rewards to make the smart decisions. You see, every decision comes with risks. So it's important to weigh them against the potential benefits. Before making any big moves, assess the potential financial impact of that move, the likelihood of success, and what you stand to lose if things don't go as planned. Let's illustrate this with my coaching client story. Meet Joan, the owner of a digital marketing agency. She was considering investing in a new software to enhance their service offerings. So Joan was torn. The new technology was exciting, but it required a big investment upfront. Plus, she was not sure if her clients would be willing to switch to something completely new. So Joan and her team took a good look at the pros and cons. After careful consideration, they decided to proceed with the investment, but with a phased approach to minimize risk. This practice of analyzing risks and benefits has been crucial for Maya's digital solutions. It helps them make informed decisions that drive growth while mitigating potential losses. So, always analyze risks and benefits before making financial decisions, okay? This will help you make smarter choices and protect your business from unnecessary risks. And lastly, let's now go to tip number 6, which is to learn from past financial decisions. Take the time to always reflect on your past financial decisions. Don't underestimate past experiences, as these can provide valuable lessons for your future. So, review your previous financial choices and their outcomes. Understand what worked well, what did not, and why. Use these insights to make better decisions in the future. So for you to understand this better, let's have Wency's story as an example. Wency owns a mini grocery store. And a few months ago, she made a mistake by overstocking perishable items. And this led to significant losses when they expired before being sold. So by learning from this experience, Wency has become better at managing her finances and making successful decisions for her store. So make sure to learn from your past financial decisions, okay? Because this will help you improve your decision-making skills and achieve better outcomes in the future. And all in all, making confident financial decisions is a blend of careful analysis, understanding your business, seeking expert advice, and learning from past experiences. Remember, each decision is a step toward financial mastery in your business journey. And if you're ready to learn more and to take your business to the next level, remember to subscribe to my newsletter and my free starter kit at mommynegosyo.com for more insights and tips. Thank you for joining me today. This is Mommy N, your Mommy Negosyo, saying, be business-minded, Pinoy!